What's up, my people? So, boy, soup, no, the AK at the verse. This evening at the verse. This brother, you when they always they believe say na investment, na he pass person when build house. You know get sense. You know get sense. You know get sense. Let me tell you, person when build 3-bedroom flats and they deport him, he could get 200,000. And you when be say you know build house, you get 10 million. They can't deport you the same time. And if you not reach Nigeria, that person when get 3-bedroom flats, he go use that 200,000. So if we open store for near in house, they sell drink and biscuits. Open small beer parlor of 200,000 for cross for up front of your house. It better pass you. I go shock you now. You go to say you get 10 million. That 10 million, you go put 7 million for business. The remaining 3 million, you as a jando, as a big boy, you get 4 children for Nigeria with wife. You go like rent 3-bedroom flats for inside GROA. They go tell you say every year for that 3-bedroom flat for GROA now 1.2 million. Those your 4 children go school. You go they pay house rent. You go they pay for school fees. They take care of your wife. You go buy motor. You go they buy for motor. They buy for Jane. Let me shock you. How that person will get 3-bedroom flat with 200,000 they better pass you. That person will get 3-bedroom flat and 200,000. He goes off if they do beer parlor. You know they pay house rent. The money wey something they get for there, the only thing wey they buy now to just to take care of your life. If in a small golf he buy, he go dey manage your life. You know they pay us rent. You know they say yes sir to my landlord. You when get 10 million, you are still a tenant to landlord, and you go to say you be big boy. Let me shock you. That 7 million when you put for business every year, your gain for inside when you they see your gain now 5 million. Inside this 5 million. You they use 1.2 million, they pay your house rent. You they buy fuel for Jane. You they buy fuel for motor. You they pay school fees for your children, 4 children. You they pay money when you take they feed your family. You they maintain your wife. Before you will see buy beer. At the end of the day, for the 5 million, how much call man? How much call man for your hand? How much call man? Inside the 5 million, money when you call man, maybe 1 million will call man. After you do expenses finish, 1 million go remain. And that 1 million now for your mind, you will say, this 1 million now, I will use that they build house, so you know get sense. If 1 million when remain, you go to put down till they build house that time. Business. You know say that they back business up. Every year, you know say you suppose they still they use 1 million till they hire your business so that may no fall. You know they say business support they go down, but that one way they support them, now make the business till they move forward. If you know they support business say every year, you know they add 1 million put for the business, it go they go down. Before you know what it happen, then make many people they do business. The business go they go down, they will come up for 7 million business, come enter 2 million, 1 million. The before you know what it happen, business will come down. You go come up for that 3-bedroom like when you read before. When I will come for room and parlor, go they manage again. You say na investment na better pass house. This house when you say na investment better pass. This is house. If they tell you what to make you no make and when you dey Lagos that time you will say you know how much I pay house rent for Lagos. You know how much I they pay house when I dey Benin. You know how much I they pay house rent when I dey Abuja. If they see asking for Europe, they say you know how much I they pay house rent for this Europe. You know what it be house rent. For you to survive in life, anything make you feel get house, you don't survive for life. Business can never make you survive. Anything make you get house now your own. You know the pay house you don't survive for life. Let me shock you. Business and house not be the same. Who get house better pass who get